Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm in the basement. This is my makeshift greenhouse down here, and I have two things I've got to put in pots today. I have yams and I have sugar cane that I need to put in pots. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix this stuff. This is my bucket. I have my chicken manure. I have raised bed topsoil. This one is frozen. Not going to use this. And I have sand. You need the sand for good drainage, especially for the sugar cane. I do that. Mix it. This is one pot. I'm not going to fill it all the way up to the top. This one is for the sweet potato. I seen the potato sprouting, so what I did, I took it and I put it in the water. Ooh. Let it do its thing. Not going to put too much on it. for now. This one I barely covered for now. In another 2 weeks or so, then I'm gonna put some more soil on top. Right now what I have it is just for the roots to catch. So I'm gonna move this out the way. Gonna do the same thing for the sugar cane. I'm not planning to keep the sugar cane in the pot. The last frost, I'm gonna put them in the ground outside.